Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ahmad Alif bin Ahmad Fairuz. My metric number is 2220101. I am third year bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. Today, I would like to represent you my assignment for manufacturing technology. For today's journey, I would like to bring you to our mechanical laboratory lab at University Pertahanan Nasional Malaysia. There's lots of equipments, but for today, I'll be focusing on welding. Before we begin with the project, we need to consider on our safety. First, you will need a welding helmet with the proper shade as I show in the video. Next, you will need protective glove and a flame-resistant clothing as I wear in the video. A proper footwear need to be considered when doing such a project. Lastly, you will need a ventilation if you're doing indoors as in the video. Welding is a process used to join materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using high heat to melt the parts together and then allowing them to cool, forming a solid bond. There are different types of welding such as metal inert gas, tungsten inert gas, stick welding, and gas welding. Welding is essential in many industries, including construction, manufacturing, automotive, and even art. Here's are the steps for welding. First, you will need a preparation. As mentioned, we need to consider the safety and the setup workspace. Next, material preparation. You need to clean the metal and position the material as I showed in the video. Next steps are welding process. We will set the machine parameters and we'll start to begin the welding. There's a lot of welding technique. We'll keep the welding torch or electrode at a consistent distance. Next is post-welding inspection. Also, we need maintenance of